Canva to Google Slide. In this video, I'll show you how to convert your Canva project into a Google Slide. You could do it by two ways. First, you can convert your Canva project directly to your Google Slide using Google Drive. Otherwise, you can just first download your Canva project first and then upload it to your Google Drive and open it using Google Slide. I'll show you both method. First, open your Canva project. So this is my Canva project. Now click share button and now click more, and now you will see Google Drive option here, or you can just search here Google and you will find Google Drive. Click Google Drive and you need to connect your Google Drive first with your Canva. So click connect Google Drive and now it will show your Google accounts. Let's say I want to use this account and I'm connecting my account and click here, click continue, and now your Google Drive has been connected with your Canva account. It shows all of your Google Drive folders here. So you need to select which folder you want to get this Canva project. Let's say I want to get this Canva project in client's work, this folder. Select it and now select it as a PPTX. Now save. So you need to wait a couple of seconds to process it. Once done, you will see it in your Google Drive. So it is done. Now go to your Google Drive. I'm going to my Google Drive, and after that go to your folder client work and you will find the Canva project here. This is your Canva project and it is opened using Google Slide, and you will see the whole project is here in your Google Slide account. So this is the project. Now you can open it to see the whole project. So this is the first way you can do it. Another way, you can first download your Canva project, click share button and click download button and select PPTX. Now download it. So it is downloading my Canva project, and after that now go to your Google Drive. Just go to your Google Drive first, create a new folder, or you can upload the project in any of the folder. Let's say I want to keep it in content writing folder. So this is my folder. Now I need to upload the Canva project from my computer. Select it, right click, and now file upload. Now upload the file you have downloaded from the Canva project. So it is uploading. Wait a few seconds and it has been uploaded. Now open it and it is opening using Google Slide. So you can try both of the method, what you want to prefer. And see my Canva project is now here. in my Google slide. So if I want to show it, is the actual Canva project. So this is pretty simple. You can try it out. Thanks for watching. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw the comment below. I'll check and reply your comment very soon.